If you guys are just getting here, you come up to timing and scoring. That is right over here where you can see me waving my hat. You guys must come over here and get your car number and transponders assigned to you guys. We have 40 minutes. So once again, a huge hats off to all of my racers out here today. Just making it to this point has been a huge accomplishment. So congratulations to all the teams out here racing today, representing their schools proudly, just to make it to the regional finals out here today in Southgate, California, here at the beautiful Legacy High, is a huge accomplishment in itself. So congratulations to all the teams and all the competitors out here today, doing a wonderful job and representing their schools proudly. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Loop is live. We are off and running.
The Horizon Grand Prix has been phenomenal. I'm going to tell you, Horizon has been phenomenal. I tried to start an engineering program the year before, going into a group of 148 middle school kids who were in a robotics program. I asked them, how many want to be engineers? 4 students signed up for engineering. The next year I got the Horizon car. I showed the students the Horizon car and the Horizon video. I asked the same 148 kids, who wants to go into engineering? 144 students signed up. That's what Horizon has done for our school.
Programs such as this have helped my girls see the possibilities that they had in going or majoring in STEAM-related fields. Just this year, 2 of our girls on our team will be graduating from high school, and one of them has already indicated that she's planning to go into the medical field. Some of our other girls on our STEM team have also indicated that they plan to major in either engineering, computer science, and chemistry.
They've got a better understanding of climate change and what the dynamics are that are involved. They understand how their personal choices as consumers are part of that, in particular what they drive, how they get to school every day. They've learned the science of how to take hydrogen, free up electrons, and power something with it. And then ultimately the big ticket is we spend a lot of time in a CAD environment. So the vehicles they're running today have parts that they've fabbed themselves, and we print it on the 3D printer.
Here in Local District East, we are so proud to be able to bring this to our students, and we see the importance of the partnership. And when we see our students from our communities competing with other students from other communities, it's just an example of what can happen with all these diverse groups getting together, and you see that light flicker in their eyes, that excitement. It's just inspirational to see.
We have a STEM festival going. It is out of control. It is a wet, rainy day in Southgate, and we have auditoriums filled with students and parents, teachers, administrators. STEM is speaking to the revolution of learning that is happening right now, 2019.
This is something that, to be really honest, has become one of our proudest moments this year. We were able to see our girls really break out of their shell and do something that they would never have tried before.
We need more of these programs and more of the schools, because this is what's going to get kids interested in the careers of the future.
This 3-hour endurance race.